a blind buy. I just got excited. You know, I just wanted to be a part of the hype. This was the 100 ml. I bought it in the States at a special store called the Oud store. And this cost me $85. It's a nice package. Wow, this is like very sturdy. Ooh, whoa, this is not just like normal cardboard. Whoa. Wow. Wow, look at this bottle. Wow, it's legitimately so pretty. I am liking this snake. I mean, maybe it's a little bit cheesy, but I guess it kind of is on par with the theme. Whoa. It smells luxurious right off the bat. It smells very smooth. It smells very creamy. There's some sweet notes in there for sure. I do smell the honey and some apricot, I believe. There's some fruit element in there. I'm like huffing it. It smells like it would probably be easy to wear. I don't dislike it up front, so I think that's a good sign. It's leaning more towards the femme side, definitely, with that like flower, and there's some smoothness to it too. Okay guys, we got Teriaq by Lattafa Perfumes, and this is created by the perfumer Quentin Bisch and the French perfumer, and he also created, you know, the really popular perfumes, Delina Exclusive, as well as many others. So I think there was a lot of hype around this release, and honestly, I don't dislike it upon first smelling. I have to wear it more to really understand the true complexity to these perfumes, which I think as a new perfume enthusiast, I really made that mistake in my last couple of videos. Perfumes change on you throughout the day, throughout your moods, throughout the seasons. So I don't think it's good to just judge right away. But upon first spraying this perfume, also a really cool cap. I am digging this cap with the snake. It's a snake. It is a very sweet, fruity in the opening. So there's that apricot hint. It's basically a fruity floral musk perfume that's leaning on a gourmand. I think that's probably a pretty accurate take. Yeah, you get the brightness in the opening of that like very tart apricot, which I do like a lot because it smells fresh. It adds an element of freshness, and it's not just a super sticky sweet honey gourmand. This has many layers to it. So I'm really excited to see how this develops over time after I wear it a couple times, but it definitely seems like an easy wear, an easy pick so far. It quiets down a lot, to be honest, after that first couple sprays. Like I can tell it's kind of disappearing. It's not totally in my face. So I do appreciate the subtlety a little bit more. We'll see how that changes though.